right, guys, it is Memorial Day and I'm at Bass Pro Shops. I've been actually waiting months to go to Bass Pro Shops. I got the day off for Memorial Day. God bless all the troops and the veterans that have served our country. Thank you so much. And I'm celebrating this day and extremely grateful to be at Bass Pro Shops. All right, guys, so I'm right outside Bass Pro Shops right now, about to go in, sipping on a bubbly. Beautiful Tacoma right there. I'll probably post that as a short later. Go check out my shorts reel, Tacomas. Bass Pro Shops. My first time actually ever here. I've actually heard about it in commercials and from my friends, from word of mouth, through the grapevine, but here I am. Bass Pro Shops. There's gators, there's American flags, and there's freaking bass boats. So, watch me fulfill my destiny. Wow. I'm speechless.
My name is Mohammed and I'm originally from Saudi Arabia.
Okay, and?
Sal from Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so Mohammed,
Yeah.
tell me about, what?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about basically your fishing experience, where you're from, where you fish, what you catch.
Usually we caught a lot of groupers back home.
Okay.
And kingfish, we have a few kingfish. I have caught a few of them. And
Big?
a couple of, no, they're not that
How big?
Like
Show me.
700 grams, 800 grams.
Okay.
Yeah.
7 kilograms. Not bad.
Queens, we caught a
Queenfish?
Queenfish, yeah.
What about ladyfish? You know ladyfish?
No.
They're similar to mackerel, like long. Heard it here, folks, guys. These folks all the way from the Red Sea now trying their trade in Orlando.
Yeah.
Trying their luck tomorrow. They're going freshwater fishing. They're looking for bait.
Yeah.
You know, I recommend a Zoom worm, green worm, or a fluke. I recommend that for first time starters that are trying to make their impression in the freshwaters, even if they're from the Red Sea. Well, I just literally made 2 great friends from the Middle East, and I have plans with them on Friday. We're actually gonna go fishing together. But we have to get back to work now and find what bait we need to be successful. So let's start looking. All right, guys, so predators. Can't live with them, can't live without them. And that's why I'm gonna have to get a kayak. I'm actually gonna order it off Amazon. I'm not gonna get it here, but I'm gonna get a kayak and start fishing the waters of the Great Ivanhoe Lake. First up, Uncle Buck's cabin. All right, guys, every great fisherman knows it's very important to blend in with your surroundings. That's why I'm in the camo section right now. Shopping up a storm looking for the hottest camo outfit. Checking out the local bookstore here at Bass Pro Shops. Got some art made from the locals. Got some little stuffed animals for the kids. Some more photography, more stuffed animals, kids nature zone. I mean, what place does have this setup? No place, only Bass Pro Shops. We got gators, outdoors, more boats, more bow and arrows, boats and bows. All right, everybody, up here in the VIP section, where you come to dine and check out the bison and buffalo of the town. And you know, with 2-story Bass Pro Shops, if you get tired, just pop in that elevator, go down a floor, live a little, shop a little, Bass Pro Shops. Sorry, guys. So, basically, I got all my stuff. The bait, some little kids speaking Portuguese. Did I mention all the amazing apparel they have here? I mean, come on. This company puts Lululemon to shame. Go to the Paris fashion show, Prague fashion show, doesn't matter. If you like looking good in fish and ranch gear, Bass Pro Shops is the place to shop. Well guys, you could spend hours, if not days, if not years, if not decades, if not centuries at Bass Pro Shops. But it's Sunday night, it's Monday night. Happy Memorial Day. God bless all our troops and veterans in the great country of the United States of America. So I gotta get home, get ready for Tuesday.
Okay.
Just so I can mentally go over all the stuff I got. Got that knife. These hats are a really good deal. Red and white. Got the Zoom freshwater fishing. Got one of those bait things. Swiss Army knife, some reel. That's just trash. And then we got 3 gulps for the saltwater fishing. Perfect. Well guys, my first time at Bass Pro Shops, absolute success. They even gave me a discount for being a first responder, which I told them I'm just a general surgery intern. It's kind of the lowest of the low, but they said we'll give it to you anyway. So thank you guys so much. It was definitely worth the $12 off. I spent about 120 bucks. Got a lot of things, which you can see. Now I'm headed back home. Might see some beautiful Tacomas on the way. Feeling absolutely blessed on this Memorial Day. Thanks for watching. As always, smash that subscribe button, hit that like, and throw me a comment in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. SH Videos.